Hello, this is a demo to show the working of automated feedback system by the team Hagix named QuickFed using Automation Anywhere and Microsoft Azure. As a user, I would want to give a feedback to a particular restaurant regarding their food and service. Conventionally, there would be an installation of an app or call the service center. But with our solution, it is just one scan away. Our bot is built using bot framework, and the bot conversation which we have proposed is just 4 stages. I would open the bot by scanning this QR code. And if I have to talk about a particular order, the bot asks me to submit the bill, which is done either by selecting from files or by clicking the image. This is the bill that we have selected for now. So I'll be sending it from the files. The details mentioned in the bill is easily extracted by Microsoft OCR, which is invoked by RPA bot using Automation Anywhere. User would not have to type or mention the food items manually, just a click of a button would do it. So now the bot is addressing the user by the name, and we have all the buttons here which are nothing but the items mentioned in the bill. Now here I would want to type my feedback, which could be positive, negative, or even neutral. Furthermore, sentiment analysis is done on the description to know the type of feedback. Usually, user's task is done here. But in our solution, Automation Anywhere invokes ServiceNow to create a ticket for the issue if the feedback is negative or neutral. And also a confirmation message is sent to user's mail. Here's the mail sent to user where the user's ID is stored in the database. So here's the ticket ID, which is also mentioned in ServiceNow where the ticket has been raised. We can find the description here. So basically we have 2 workflows mentioned. One would be extracting the details from the bill and making a sentiment analysis on the description. And second would be triggering ServiceNow to create a ticket and send a confirmation to user ID. This is a prototype by the team Hagix, and we aim to enhance the solution by further including all the APIs by Microsoft, which would be Translator API, Text-to-Speech API, or even Computer Vision API. Thank you.